Staying in was such a good idea, babe. We haven't had such a quiet and nice evening since our honeymoon.
What was anything about nice and quiet? Check this out. A little music to set the mood. Hey Shirley, play some romantic music. No, Shirley. Sorry, baby. What? What are you doing? That's not what I said.
What is wrong with it? And why is it so cold in here? Hey Shirley, put on the heat, please. Maybe we should call somebody.
Danny! Mom?
From the moment you wake up, the moment your head hits the pillow every night, our smart solutions will make life easier and more enjoyable. Let us help you save money, time, and ultimately simplify your life. Contact us for your smart home today.